Let's take a look at this one. 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Type LT. Very, very nice car. Very authentic car also. And as I get into it and walking around it, I'll explain how we can tell what we know about this car. These split bumper Camaros have really become popular in the last 3, 4, 5 years. Values have increased and probably will continue to do so. They are a very popular body style, and like I said, with that split bumper. Really, really nice looking car. Now, this particular car is a true Z28, which you can tell by the data tag. There is a Z28 code stamped on there. As far as the Type LT, you can tell that by the VIN. There is an S in the VIN. I believe it's the second digit. Let's come up and take a peek at this, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. You can see it right here. S, if that comes through. S is the second digit of the VIN. That is what tells you that that is a Type LT. You can check it out, decode it for yourself if you'd like to. So S, telling you it is a Type LT, Z28 on the data tag. Also in that VIN is the engine type in here, which is a T, so it'd be a 350, and that T, I believe, is only the 350 that came with the Z28 package. This car also decodes as 75, which would be medium red. So it originally would have started life as a medium red car. If you want to check out the still pictures, then you can check out that data tag, you can check out the VIN. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to discuss this, got any questions, like to talk to us about it. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. In those still pictures that are on the website at the uniqueclassiccars.com, you're also going to see where we have the stamping. This is a numbers matching engine also. The VIN derivative is stamped into the engine block, as well as a numbers matching transmission. This has a 4-speed manual in it, bucket seat, center console car. That's the way it would have came from Chevrolet in 1973. Along the line, it has had crushed velvet seat covers added to it, which are actually in pretty nice shape, and obviously in the day, that was a pretty cool thing to have. The rest of the interior appears to be pretty much stock, with the exception of a Clarion cassette player and some good old Pioneer TS 6907s. If you grew up in the 80s, you know what the 6907s were. Everybody wanted a set of those Pioneer 6x9s for the rear deck of their car. There is a cover that's included with this car that was in the trunk, and there's also some seat covers. And the slip back here, I kind of just laid them out best I could on the floor. So if you wanted to put seat covers over the crushed velvet seats, you could, or if you just wanted to finish them off in vinyl and put new seat covers on there, that could be done easy enough too. The seats seem to be in good shape. It's kind of cool the way it is. Kind of a little throwback to yesteryear. As you can see, it's riding on some American Racing chrome wheels. Seems to be a very straight car, solid car. You look up and down the side of it. See, this thing's a little nicer than the driver quality. Paint has a nice luster to it. You might find a few nicks or little chips or scratches, but boy, nothing major. Looks great with that black deck stripe down the hood and the trunk lid. Chrome tips. Look at how good these look from the rear too. That front split bumper in the rear of these. Look at that spoiler pop up. Just a great looking Camaro. Again, check out the still picture. You can see the underside of this. Nice solid car. Check out the interior. Check out the engine bay. Still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number we can be reached at. Feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Of course, financing is available. We can assist with transportation to where you're located at. And of course, we do consider trades. If you get a car you'd maybe like to trade in on this, definitely consider that. There's that LT type steering wheel. that is correct. Like I said, everything in the interior seems to be stock except for that stereo I noticed. Door card's all in good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll pop that hood. You can check out the engine bay. See the center console 4-speed there. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Great starting car, nice sounding car. I believe the odometer reads 65,999. Can't confirm if that's correct mileage or not. Don't have any paperwork to go with that. But car has definitely been gone through since it was new. So nice driving, nice condition car. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble out of that 350 V8. Nice, neat, throaty sound. Can you see how straight this car is down the driver's side also? Let's come around to the front here. I'm going to pop the hood. Let's take a little peek at the engine bay and listen to that engine underneath the hood. Alright, there you go. Hood's popped. See, very nice shape underneath there. This is a power steering, power brake car. Look at how smooth that engine runs. It's a very tidy engine department, smooth running V8. Has had an MSD electronic ignition added to it. Remember, this is a numbers matching car, tranny and engine. It is a true Z28. There's a Type LT. Beautiful 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Numbers matching. Like I said, there's a cover that'll be in the trunk, and also those seat covers I'll leave in the trunk. If you'd like to give us a call on this and inquire about it, 507-386-1726. Check out those still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, financing is available, and we'll be happy to assist you with the transportation of this car to your location. Give us a call.